Have you ever felt tired of babysitting AI just to get the output you actually want? Think back to a report you wrote last week. You spent 20 minutes getting the tone, the formatting, and the details perfectly dialed in, and it felt great. But when the topic changes, the setup never does. You find yourself explaining the exact same instructions all over again, spending hours teaching the AI from scratch every single time you need an output. Let me be completely honest with you right out of the gate. If you're repeating the exact same AI instructions every single time you need to do a repetitive task, you're doing it completely wrong. Last week, we looked at choosing the right AI tool instead of just defaulting to ChatGPT. There's an incredibly frustrating reality in the AI space right now. Thousands of people are mastering these complex prompts. They're collecting endless lists of tools, yet they never see a financial return because they never build the systems required to scale. Without creating self-sustaining processes, prompt mastery is just unpaid manual labor. You remain an operator tied to a keyboard, instead of a builder who owns the engine. Today, we fix that by building an engine. Quick context for those just joining, this is a 4-week zero to earning roadmap. Week 1 was the foundation. You learned how to communicate with AI so it actually listens. Week 2 was about selection. You stopped guessing and started matching the specific tool to the specific task. Today, in week 3, we bridge the gap between those tools and full automation by building systems to handle the repetitive work for us. And week 4, we'll turn everything into real income opportunities. If you skip today's step, week 4 is going to be extremely difficult. If you don't build systems, honestly, everything you worked so hard to learn in week 1 about communication and week 2 about tools, it kind of loses almost all of its value. You have to bridge this gap to make the whole structure actually work for you. Here is our plan for building that engine today. We'll cover the difference between tasks and systems, the easiest ways to build, specific use cases, a real-life project demo, and give you a challenge to test your own build. To understand the goal, look at the difference between a task and a system. A task is something you have to physically do every time. A system is a permanent structure that performs that same action for you. Let's look at a one-off task. You want a 3-month weight loss plan. You define the role, context, task, and format, and the AI generates a perfect schedule. But then a friend asks for the same thing. They have a different age, a different weight, and different food preferences. If you rewrite the entire prompt, you are wasting time. Instead, you build a system. You establish a fixed set of rules once, leaving blank slots for the details that change. Now you only type, create a plan for a 50-year-old pre-diabetic who prefers Indian food. The system instantly processes those new variables. You get the exact same quality and structure every time, but it takes you seconds instead of hours. The output scales effortlessly without demanding more of your day. So now that you totally get the why, I'm going to show you the how. And honestly, the best part about this, it requires literally zero coding. Any task can be converted into a system using built-in features you probably already have access to right now. Over in ChatGPT and Claude, they call these projects. For using Gemini, they call them gems, but it's the exact same concept, just wrapped in different names. Let's just walk step by step through building that AI nutrition coach. The first piece of your system is the instructions. This is the permanent brain. It tells the AI exactly how to behave every time you open it. To write this, you don't even have to start from scratch. Go back to a chat where you successfully completed the task and ask the AI to extract its own rules. Tell the AI, create project instructions so I can generate the same style of output every time. Ask me only for the variables, age, weight, goals, health conditions, and food preferences. It will write the master prompt for you. Paste that into the instructions box. You have successfully captured the logic of your best work, ensuring you never have to manually instruct the AI on this topic again. The second piece of your system is memory. This is where you upload the specific documents you want the AI to base its work on. You can upload past project templates, company brand guidelines, PDF reports, or any reference material that sets the standard for your final product. Once the system is active, you have to follow one strict rule. Keep all related work inside the specific project, so it continues to build context over time. You didn't just learn how to build a nutrition coach today. You just learned a universal formula. The pattern literally never changes. You define the instructions once, you build the system once, and then you reuse it forever. And you can apply this to absolutely anything. I'm talking study guides, content creation, customer support bots, business proposals, a social media manager, or even a video production assistant. The result? You get beautifully consistent output every single time, and you save your most valuable asset, your time. Let me show you a real-world example of how I personally automated some boring, repetitive tasks into a smooth system. This is my study guide system. If you're a parent, you totally know the struggle of helping a 15-year-old study. Sitting down to read a dense textbook chapter, creating all the notes, pulling out the key concepts, and then making practice questions, it takes hours. It's exhausting. So I built a system for it. The inputs are super simple. I just uploaded the complete textbook and all the relevant study materials straight into the system's memory. I set up the instructions once. Now, I literally just type the chapter name. That is it. And boom, instantly, the output hands me a highly structured summary, all the important concepts, relatable real-life examples, and a full set of practice questions. But wait, it gets even better. Let's see how this builds further. I take that text output and I connect it directly to Notebook LM. With literally zero extra effort, it instantly generates audio learning materials, video overviews, presentation slides, and even mock tests. The chapter changes every week, sure, but the system never does. This saves me a massive amount of preparation time for my son studying every single week. It's a lifesaver. Again, if you want this specific workflow, just comment study guide down below. Let's look at another one. This is my animated video production system, and honestly, this one saved me the most time by far. Creating animated videos the traditional way, it takes days. You've got story writing, character design, scene planning, prompt writing, checking for consistency. Honestly, sometimes it takes a full week just to finish one short video. So I built a project where the character style, the visual aesthetic, the camera instructions, and the prompt formatting are all completely locked in. Now I just paste in a short story idea, maybe just a few lines. Within seconds, I have a complete polished story structure and all the visual prompts ready for generation. What used to take me days now takes less than 30 minutes to build a full 3D animated cartoon video. It is incredibly fast. The story changes, but the workflow doesn't. Moving right along to section 5, your week 3 challenge. It is time for you to actually prove this to yourself, and I really want you to take action on this right away. This week, I don't want you to go out and learn another complicated tool. Instead, I want you to find just one repetitive task in your life. Take that single task, turn it into a project or a gem, and use that system for the entire week. At the end of the week, I want you to measure 2 numbers. How long did that task take you before you built the system, and how long does it take you after using the system? Come back and drop both of those before and after metrics down in the comments. Seeing those numbers with your own eyes is going to prove to you that you are officially a system builder and you are totally ready for your income journey. Let's just take a quick moment to acknowledge the massive transformation you've gone through over these last 3 weeks. Week 1 taught you how to communicate with AI. Week 2 taught you how to choose the right tools for the job. But Week 3 just gave you scale. I want to leave you with this one empowering thought. You are the boss now. Your AI army is ready. You command and they execute. You simply sit back and watch them work for you. Next week, in week 4, we take everything you've built and we finally turn it into real income opportunities. Make sure you subscribe to Bujhle Easy so you definitely don't miss week 4. And hey, if this explainer helped you out, share with someone who is still trapped out there repeating the exact same AI tasks every single day. See you in the next explainer.